Definitely probably one of the more recommended trails I would give to people on the island. Very flat and What's up, fam? Welcome back to another hike on the island of Oahu. We're heading over to Turtle Bay. No surprise this morning for Sophia. We're gonna go out to Kahuku Point and see the sunrise and, you know, just see what there is over there. We'll catch you in a minute. We're here at Turtle Bay. Just pulling in. Gonna go to find the parking lot, get out, and so the hike starts here, and then we go out to the point. I believe it's about 30 minutes, could be less. It'll be a short little hike. And then we brought our beach towels so we can get all warm and get ready for the sunrise. Boop, boop. We're hiking right now. We're right along the beach. You can hear the waves crashing. Probably hard to hear my voice almost, but we saw there's some signs. There's somewhat of a trail. It's kind of like a quad trail, looks like almost, and just through the woods. We'll get more footage on the way back, but it says that it's only about a mile away. Figure it'll take us probably 20-25 minutes, so that doesn't seem right, but probably 20 minutes max. But we'll catch up in a little bit, maybe when there's a little more light. So we made it out to the point, and now we're able, I'll put parts and pieces of that time lapse I was able to do of the sunrise, and I think we're a little hungry now, so we're gonna be on our way back and go get some food and some stuff and see if anything else happens today. Some pretty big barrels out there. Pretty 8-footer. Good stuff. But yeah, we'll see what happens. We're on our way back now. It's kind of fun little place. Didn't get the drone out. Sorry, look at those little flowers. Little succulents. Didn't get the drone out though. Next time, maybe, I don't know. Just a little too tired to get out the drone today. But this is kind of, they blocked off all the I didn't do much at night or when it was dark because you couldn't really see, but this is kind of a eco refuge, so all the plants are protected and growing back, and for birds and wildlife, whatnot. So kind of nice little place they blocked off. You can see the resort over there in the background. It was a nice quick hike. We got a bit lost coming over. We went, it was still like a quad trail. It was like a golf cart trail, but it was dirt, and it went kind of like through the middle of the golf course. And so we weren't on the right track, because we're on the beach for a while and then we kind of veered off, and I think most of the trail is all along the beach until you get back to the resort. So that's where we'll be going, and I don't know if I'll do more time warp or what, but we'll see. Check back in a little bit. So it was kind of nice along the trail. They had a lot of these signs to kind of find where you were wanting to go. We'll go back to the hotel. So a mile, 1.1, Kuleana Loop, Keiki Beach, Kahuku Point Loop. So we went to the Kahuku Point Loop, and then there's a main trail. Not sure what the main trail goes. I'm wondering if that's what we're on, and I ended up looking on my phone, and we pretty much just cut straight across. We were straight that way, and then we had to cut straight this way. But I'm gonna walk over here and see. Maybe we'll walk along the beach. It's a weird gate. Maybe so golf carts don't try to go through here. It's kind of nice. Looks like a little picnic area. Oh, there's lights all set up. Wow. Oh, it says private property over there. So maybe not over there. There's the point. Get back in a second. We're back on the right path now. So we'll just keep going down here and follow the signs. We did not come this way, but it is a really nice little walk. So this is the Kahuku Point hike again. You start out at Turtle Bay and just pretty much come up the coast. So you're going to be going from north to east almost. Probably one of the more recommended trails I would give to people on the island. Very flat and really cool here in the trees, so highly recommended. I've been hiking for about 5 minutes ish, 10 minutes. So you can hear the ocean on the side, and then the golf course is on this side. So it's kind of nice. I've played golf out here, and it's a really nice course. And surprised we haven't seen any golfers yet. You know, it's early in the morning, kind of good time to play. It's starting to heat up actually. We left the house this morning. It was about 63. It's pretty chilly for Hawaii. I'm sure it's closer to 70 now. Back to the normal temp. But here you can see the coming out into the golf course. Real nice grass. Flat little pond action. I'm guessing I'll go over that way. There's, you can see the sign right there. Keiki Beach is that way. Probably quicker way back to the hotel that way. I'll go over here for the more scenic route. Go check out Keiki Beach. All right, see you in a second. Oh, there's a little Keiki Beach action. We'll make our way over there. Do a little speed mode action again. Oh yeah. Man, this is where we made our mistake. So it says to Keiki Beach, the hotel, and then the main trail. So it points that way to the main trail, and then to Kahuku Point. This way is a lot faster. I wouldn't follow that trail. It took us, I mean, like it says, it's like half a mile. Kind of goes back that way and then keeps going farther back. So man, I feel like it's not that much farther, but you know, 5 minutes on a 20-minute hike compared to a 25-minute hike. It's up to you, but yeah, just stay close to the beach. And there's Keiki Beach. It's like a really nice beach. I don't know how rocky it is in the water, but yeah, just stay close and you'll be good. Golf course looking nice, fresh cut. Kahuku windmills in the back, yeah. So, well, I wanted to check this out. Saw this in the morning. The Ahupua'a. Ahupua'a. You know, some Hawaiians probably gonna watch this and say, that white boy, that howdy, he don't know what he's talking about. But so the Hawaiian Islands, when well, at least the Oahu, I don't know about the other places, we're all sectioned off, and you know, when there's royalty and stuff, they each had their sections. So this is I recognize that rock, and you'll see them all around the island. They'll say Ahupua'a, Kahuku, Kualoa, Ahupua'a, Kualoa, Ahupua'a. All these different sections of the island. Like if this is the island right here, it's like a pie. It's all cut off and kind of sectioned off from the very center of the island. And then each section people got their own section and did what they want with with their part of the island. So that's kind of I'm not sure if those are like section cuts, like, you know, like this side is the Ahupua'a Kahuku, and then the next one is like the Ahupua'a whatever. I don't know what the next one over is. I don't know which one Laie is in. Imagine this one's, that side's Kahuku, that's where the town of Kahuku's at, and then this one has a different name. But I guess if it's easy to look up, Ahupua'a Ahupua'a, and so you can look that up and kind of see what I'm talking about. So I'm seeing more people, more golf carts, more people jogging around, getting some exercise. We're up early, but we're getting closer to the car. Check back in 1 second. Man, getting hungry. not as hungry in the morning, but pretty famished. Always talking about food on the videos. No one wants to hear me talk about how hungry I am. Just want to see the views. This is kind of the main entrance to the trail. It was a little harder to see in the dark. You can see there's like, I think they call them villas. They're not the condos that I know, but they're not the main resort either. They're on this, so the main resort's on the other side of these guys. So I might make a, man, I'm debating the drone. Just takes a second to get out and get flying around, but it might be good to get a little overview of the trail and just take a second. We'll see when we, maybe we'll just launch it from the car. Check back in un segunda hora. I guess there's this one thing to maybe point out. I don't know if someone lives here or if it's just an office for their golf carts, but we came up this morning, we came through that trail straight through here, went all the way around their house, and then cut up. I mean, we ended up right here. So just save yourself some time. And let's see what this yellow guy says. Oh, it doesn't even say anything. So just walk up over there. It's just, I'm sure it's just blocking golf carts from going up that way. Because one thing I've noticed, like at least this morning, there's actually a few people driving around on their golf carts. I don't know if they're gonna go see the sunrise, but I think a lot of the condominiums around here, they have their own golf carts. So that little gate is just to stop people from going on that walking trail. It says no camping, tents, easy ups, fires, open flames, vehicles. So you know, feel free to walk over there. It's beautiful. It's still early in the morning to say that there's not that many people, but I'd imagine just from the accessibility, not a ton of people go over there to walk around. So we're actually back here. You can see so this is where they have the helicopter. There's helicopter tours right there. There's the helicopter. Just said helicopter like 3 times. So yeah, so you'll come over here into this parking lot. Here's those villas. There's the actual resort right there. And then come park over in here. There's the beach. It says we parked in a spot that said beach access, so just come over here and check it out. All right, we'll see if anything else happens today. If not, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching the channel.